Listen, hey, you know the reason why RAM price gone up sky high primarily is cause the company them we manufacture computer memory don't shift them focus straight to artificial intelligence. You see the supercomputer them we run this. AI thing require a special high performance type of memory them call high bandwidth memory because this high memory extremely profitable right now. The manufacturer them a use up them factory space and raw material fi build that instead of the standard memory like DDR4 or DDR5 where you're using on your home computer or laptop. Since the factory them can only produce a limited number of chip each day, this heavy focus pan I mean said them a make significantly less standard memory, and on top of that this company intentionally keeping them production numbers low. See, a few years back them did build too much memory and price crash mash up causing them fi lose enough money. So fi prevent that from happening again, them strictly limiting the supply. So when you combine the facts a factory busy and make AI parts with this intentional limit pan supply, you get a shortage of regular memory which force the price up for you. I saw the thing set.